Module 8 exam questions. Is it a good idea to walk away from a dispute that is becoming heated between you and another employee? 3.2.0. Yes. Which of the following substances will not affect your job performance? 3.4.2. Caffeine. A common problem on the job site that contributes to delay is underscore 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 underscore. 2.3.4. Absenteeism. One of the most important skills one can master is the ability to separate the message from the messenger. 2.1.1. True. If you see a potential source of delay on a project, underscore 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 underscore. 2.3.5. Notify your supervisor immediately. One way to share your interest in finding a specific type of job is through social media. True. Good type fonts to use on a resume are Times New Roman or underscore 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 underscore. 1.2.0. Arial. It is not professional to offer constructive criticism if you underscore 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 underscore. 3.3.1. Cannot suggest an alternative method. According to studies, what % of available positions are not publicly advertised? 1.2.0. 70%. Being self-confident and an effective communicator are signs that a worker may be an underscore 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 underscore. 3.5.1. Leader. The way you speak, act, and interact with others is referred to as your underscore 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 underscore. 3.1.0. Self-presentation skills. Most employers advertise job openings underscore 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 underscore. 1.2.0. On the internet. When you solve a problem without waiting for someone to tell you what to do, you are showing. 3.1.2. Initiative. On the job, criticism always has a negative impact. 3.3.0. False. Conflict resolution is considered to be an underscore 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 underscore. 3.2.0. Important relationship skill. People with a strong work ethic are only occasionally absent or late for work. 3.1.3. False. Before employment begins, candidates for construction jobs must often underscore 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 underscore. 1.2.0. Take and pass a drug test. The way you dress, act, speak, and interact is known as your underscore 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 underscore. 3.1.0. Self-presentation. Working with others to meet common goals is an example of underscore 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 3.5.0. Teamwork. The process of evaluating information and then using it to reach a conclusion or to make a decision is known as underscore 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 2.1.0. Critical thinking. To resolve a conflict with a coworker, it is best to underscore 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 3.2.1. First admit there is a conflict. During a job search, it is a good practice to underscore 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 1.2.0. Look for jobs that match your skills and experience. You will never stop learning better ways to solve problems if you are open to underscore 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 2.1.1. Change. You must learn to like everyone you work with so that all instructions are followed without resentment. 2.1.1. False. When a problem-solving team includes a closed-minded person, that individual is one who underscore 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 2.1.1. Distrusts any new ideas and resists change. Which of the following should be included on a resume? 1.2.0. Certifications and training credentials. Displaying pornography in the presence of coworkers can be considered sexual harassment. 3.4.1. True. Critical thinking is the process of underscore 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 2.1.0. Evaluating information, then reaching a conclusion or making a decision. Which of the following is not considered a common barrier to effective problem solving? 2.1.1. Lack of a college degree. Being dependable means underscore 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 3.1.1. Showing up for work every day. A worker is verbally abusing another worker consistently, sometimes physically, and there is an imbalance of power between the two. This likely falls into the category of underscore 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 3.4.1. Bullying. The final step in the 5-step problem-solving procedure is underscore 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 2.2.0. Evaluate the results. When preparing a resume, you should underscore 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 1.2.0. Format the information chronologically. The time to learn about a potential employer is underscore 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 1.1.0. Before the application is submitted. Dealing with a conflict with your supervisor is done the same way as dealing with a coworker. 3.2.2. False. A company's documented philosophy is called its underscore 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 1.1.0. Mission statement. The first step to solving a problem is to underscore 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 2.2.0. Define it. A leader who thinks he or she needs to make all decisions without seeking input from team members is classified as underscore 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 3.5.1. Autocratic.